The Science Media Centre was the first cab off the rank, if you like, in terms of the projects that we developed while I was here. It's a very simple idea. It's to actually introduce to the print and broadcast media scientists who are prepared to speak in words that ordinary human beings can understand on various science-related issues, and to do so over a timescale with which the media are comfortable, i.e. half an hour or so. I think this is really important because it now allows the scientists and indeed the media to be on the front foot so that one can have horizon scanning sessions and anticipate what happens if there's an oil spillage, what happens if there's a tsunami. So within half an hour, if these unfortunate events do occur, you've got someone who can be on camera or at the microphone giving an authoritative view. So it's hugely valuable, as are now the little booklets that are produced of nanotechnology in a nutshell, genetics in a nutshell, which is just one sheet of facts for people. Similarly for the scientists, it's wonderful because it trains them how to communicate risk in a soundbite, how to defend animal research in a soundbite. And I think it's previously been the problem that these two cultures haven't spoken the same language, have had different agendas, different timescales, that accounts for some of the demonization of science in the press. And I think that by having things like the Media Centre, it actually helps solve that problem. And I'm very impressed that Susanna Elliott, who's the director here of the Media Centre, it's only been going for 2 years, now has a database nationwide of 1,200 Australian scientists. I'm here to launch with our president, the Duke of Kent, the RI Australia. RI stands for Royal Institution. It's been going for some 200 years. It was founded actually in 1799. The whole point is to, in the words of our charter, diffuse science for the common purposes of life. One of the greatest directors, of which there's been 14, was Michael Faraday. In fact, he was the greatest director. And his idea was to actually demonstrate science to the general public. And the lectures he gave were so popular that we were the first one-way street in London because the congestion of the carriages made them have to develop a one-way street system. I don't know if the same will happen in Adelaide with it here. But the whole idea is it should be a place where you can come and think and talk and listen to issues relating to science. It is not a place where you come and just get lectured at. It is not a place where the great unwashed come and the scientist brings down the tablet from the mountaintop. It is a place where everyone, irrespective of their background or their age, can come and think and talk about what's going on and how science and technology is transforming lives. I'm hoping to enroll now the Van Leer Institute in Jerusalem and the Alexandrian Library in Egypt. If one can have people in the Middle East, traditionally separated by ideologies, now actually discussing things that are of relevance to everyone, I think that will be a wonderful, cohesive step forward to global citizenship.